Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Chainlink. So Link is definitely one of my favorite coins on the channel, and that's why I talk about it so much. So Link, if you guys want to get daily updates, get that price predictions for, June, July, August, 2021 as well. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Turn notifications on and like the video if you guys are Chainlink holders or you want to learn more about altcoins in general. So jumping into today, we see a 7.19% increase in the last 24 hours. Chainlink's doing very, very well. A $30.26 Chainlink is definitely a good Chainlink compared to what we've been at. We saw it go all the way down to $15, a couple of days back, or a couple of weeks back, I should say, May 23rd, we saw it at that $15 range, and now already a 2x since that price point. We're already at $30.26. I do think Chainlink has a great future ahead of it. I've talked, like I said, a lot about Chainlink because I do see great opportunity in this coin for the long term. We actually saw it go all the way up to about $34.81, tank back down to about $24, and now we're back, like I said, to that $30.26 range. So jumping into the last week, we do see a 52.15% increase, which is making Chainlink look really, really good. Once this left side gets to that $35 mark, we'll see if we can continue to get this right side above $35. But I will be giving you guys 50 Link. So that's one thing I want to talk about today real quick is if Link is valued below $40 by the end of May, I will give someone who retweets and is following 50 Link. So I tweeted this when we were going on the downward spiral, and I was hoping we would have a fast recovery so I wouldn't have to give this 50 Link away so quickly. But I thought what better a time than, when the crypto market is crashing and kind of down a little bit. So hopefully I can give back to one of you guys, a great supporter. And that's why I didn't put, hashtags or anything like that in there. I did want to give it to somebody that watches my content pretty much daily or follows me on Twitter. So make sure to take advantage of this, guys. Follow me on Twitter, retweet the tweet. Take, like I said, take advantage of this. The winner will be announced tomorrow if Link doesn't get above $40, which in my opinion, it will not. So we'll see what takes place. And we'll give you guys, like I said, I'll announce the winner and hopefully they'll respond and we'll get that all situated. So jumping into what Chainlink is doing, I want to say, Chainlink is, like I said, one of the most valuable coins out there right now. I think it's very, very undervalued at this $13 billion market cap. And I think we're going to see a lot of, increases coming in the very near future. So if you guys don't know, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Jumping into really what we're going to look at today is some of these partnerships and integrations that mean a lot for Chainlink. So some more than others, and we'll talk about that specifically. But first, we have Prospect Now, a premium data provider in the real estate industry, has launched its own Chainlink node, enabling hybrid smart contract apps that really can price and settle markets using aggregate, property and square footage prices within specific geographies. So that's a big deal. Obviously, more unique utility cases being used with Chainlink. There's so many different possibilities with Chainlink, and that's exactly what you're seeing here with Prospect Now. Utilizing another, another coin utilizing Chainlink is Cosmic Swap. It integrated Chainlink VRF on BSC mainnet to power its blockchain-based reward system. By generating proofs on chain, users can independently verify that each distribution is probably fair for all participants. Next, we have the this is a big one, by the way. Congrats to Off-Chain Labs on the developer mainnet launch of Arbitrum, an L2 rollup solution for Ethereum, which is finalizing an integration of Chainlink as its as its go-to Oracle network for enabling hybrid smart contracts that use various off-chain services. So this is a big deal. Like I said, Arbitrum is a huge deal. We've talked about Arbitrum in the past with Ethereum. We did a Ethereum price prediction, kind of dove deep into what Arbitrum really means and what it's going to be for the L2 rollup solution for Ethereum. So, this is a big deal, and I won't talk too much about that in the Chainlink video, but, like I said, a very, very big deal. Jumping into the next one, we see a Bitcoin-inspired NFT serial game is using Chainlink VRF to securely distribute 1 of 10 limited edition collectibles in their upcoming giveaway. This ensures all participants have a probable fair chance at winning a rare cereal box NFT. So a ton of different, partnerships, integrations, just like usual. We see this, all the time with Polygon and Chainlink, two great coins that have great potential behind them. But I do want to take a look at the last one now. So blockchain-based MMORPG Metaverse NFT integrates Chainlink VRF on Binance Smart Chain, giving their open world game a tamper-proof and probable fair source of on-chain entropy used to generate traits for an in-game NFTs like spaceships, planets, and loot boxes. So this is great as well to continue seeing, even games taking advantage of really what Chainlink has to offer. Jumping into Chainlink, I do want to take a quick look at their website real quick, and then we'll jump into price predictions for June, July, and 2021. Connect your smart contract to the outside world. So Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. If you scroll down a little bit, it talks more about the highly secure and flexible infrastructure, talking about reliable, tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API, proven time-tested solutions, and transparent Oracle computation. They talk about what Chainlink is and why it's important here. I'm not going to deep dive into that, but I will say, guys, they make it very easy for developers. They have guides for all of these things, like random number generation, build your own Oracle, external adapters, and so much more. I won't talk too much more about the website specifically because, like I said, a lot of this stuff you guys may know about already, but the Chainlink 2.0 white paper was released. We talked about this announcement when it came out. Chainlink 2.0 is going to be a big value to Chainlink. I think a lot of people are very excited for that to get really farther into the works and get closer to launch on that. So jumping back to Chainlink, let's talk about price predictions now. As we're at that $30.20 range, we are having a 7% increase in the last 24 hours. So that's fairly solid. Like I said, we're seeing some great increases today across the market. We saw, Bitcoin above 37, Ethereum above 2,600. So, Chainlink's definitely doing a great job as well. 7.19% increase. We actually saw Chainlink go all the way to 3170, almost to 32. So we're getting closer to those, I guess if we take a look at the year, these prices that we saw, early April, we actually saw these prices. So we're back to a fairly solid price point, and I think, these will stick for a little longer. This time around, I know, the market is very volatile. We're still in a accumulation stage, and, really realistically, manipulation and FUD can still take place and move the market right back down. But I will say, one of these times it is going to blast off, and we aren't going to have another chance at investing in Chainlink in the 20s. So take advantage of this kind of stuff when you can, guys. Accumulate what you can with your fiat. Obviously, don't put money in you can't afford to lose. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. So, without further ado, let's jump into those price predictions for June, July, and 2021. To start off with June, I do think Chainlink could easily see a $32 to $35 price point by the end of June. Do remember, guys, these are very, very reasonable and conservative price predictions because we still don't know if we're out of that manipulation or FUD stage. We could easily still be in that manipulation and FUD stage. And because of that, I want to be very conservative because honestly, nobody knows exactly when we're completely out of the clear on that. The bull run is going to come back, and I think that is going to take place. But I think we're going to have slow increases and, fairly volatile increases in the upcoming months ahead. So June and July specifically, I think they're going to be slow, but, volatile increases that really show us, Chainlink has a lot left in it. And I think Chainlink's, like I said, 32 to 35 by the end of June. By the end of July, I think $40 is our price target. By the end of 2021, or the bull market altogether, I think we are going to see a great part 2 of the bull run, seeing a $200 Chainlink by the end of the year at the very least. I think Chainlink is easily capable of reaching $200, and we'll keep you guys up to date if, on the way to that $200 Chainlink. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys have not already. I really love talking about Chainlink because I think it has such great long-term potential. If you guys agree with that, definitely let me know in the comments. If you guys think Chainlink is one of those coins worth looking into, let other people know as well because, like I said, I always want you guys to do just as well as me. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.